In this video, I'll share how to use Google Sheets with Mailchimp. Now, to use Google Sheets in Mailchimp, we can use it within our audience. Now, to import your audience from Google Sheets, head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side, and at the bottom, you want to click on the sixth option, which is Audience. Now, once you are on the Audience section, head over to the top bar. On the right-hand side, click on the drop-down for Add Contacts, and below Add Contacts, click on Import Contacts. Once you click on Import Contacts on the right-hand side, click on the second option, which is Upload a File. That will open Upload a File, and at the bottom of Select a File, you want to click on the hyperlink to download your sample CSV file. Now, once you have the CSV file downloaded, what you need to do is open it within Google Sheets. Once you open it on Google Sheets, it will look exactly like this. As you can see, we have columns A up to H. In here, it will ask to input the email address, first name, last name, the address, the phone number, what do you like to grow, tags, and birthday. One thing that you have to know is that email address, first name, as well as phone number are things in which you need to have. The last name, address, what do you like to grow, tags, and birthday, these are all optional. Now from here, what you need to do is simply add the email address, their first name, their last name, as well as their address. You also want to add the phone number, and don't worry about the country code, it will automatically be added. What do you like to grow? Let's say vegetables. On the tags, we can leave this later on, but if you do have specific tags for specific customers, then I do suggest you add that. On the birthday, you want to make the month first and then the day. And once you're done, this is where you can start adding the rest of your list. Once you have the rest of your list, as you can see, we have here the email address, first name, and etc. We have already added them. I left the tags as blank since I want to add them later on. Now, the next step is to export this as a CSV. So at the top of Google Sheets, head over to the left-hand side and click on File. At the bottom of File, hover your mouse on Download. And on the right-hand side of Download, you want to click on comma-separated values. Once you do that, it will automatically download the CSV file. Now head over back to Mailchimp. From here, you want to select a file and choose the spreadsheet in which we have added an audience. Once it has been added, at the bottom, click on Continue. Now in here, you have to organize your contacts. You want to choose the proper audience. If you have groups, you can add them to it. And if you do want to update any existing contacts within that spreadsheet, then it will automatically merge as long as they have the same email address. The next step is the tags. Now, if these are all new members, you can add these audience as a new member. Now, as I said earlier, if you do have specific tags for specific contacts, then just simply add it in here. But if you want them all to have the same tag, then I do suggest that you just list them down in here. So at the bottom, click on Continue. Now in here, what you need to do is match the file column names from Google Sheets to Mailchimp. Now, if you do have a different column name from Google Sheets, then this is where you can translate it to Mailchimp's field names in order for it to understand. So on the email address, make sure to add email address. This will be the same thing for the first name, last name, address, phone, what do you like to grow, tags, and birthday. At the bottom, click on Continue. Now, this is where you need to set the marketing status, either subscribed, unsubscribed, non-subscribed, or cleaned. We will set this as subscribed, and at the bottom, click on Finalize Import. Once you click on Finalize Import, it will review and complete your import. At the bottom, click on Complete. And once you do that, it will say that you have successfully added 12 new contacts using Google Sheets. If you do have any errors, it will also indicate right in here. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.